Join the American Meteorological Society by becoming a member of the band. The AMS Weather Band is a global community of weather enthusiasts dedicated to learning and sharing their love of science. Visit amsweatherband.org to learn more and join the band today.
It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is the afternoon edition. This is for Wednesday, the 10th of March. I'm James Spann. Alabama's weather looking quiet through the weekend. Next week, though, looking unsettled with several rounds of rain and thunderstorms likely. Let's dive in and talk about it. There's the upper air look across the country today, and we have ridging across the southeastern states, a trough and an upper low back over California out west. And like yesterday, got a few bands of high cirrus clouds passing across the state today, but mostly sunny conditions are seen statewide. Those clouds are high and thin, and it feels pretty good. We're mostly in the 70s. The cool spot, Cullman, it's 69. Tuscaloosa, 75. Anniston, 74. Birmingham, 73. We'll be flirting with 80 by Friday and the weekend. There's the watch warning map across the country today. Wind advisories for parts of the Midwest and the Plains. We've got winter storm watches and warnings from Wyoming up to Minnesota, and red flag warnings for parts of the southern plains and back into New Mexico because of the danger of wildfires there. Got a chance of severe storms through tonight from Oklahoma up into parts of Minnesota and Wisconsin. Tomorrow, a marginal risk of severe storms from near Oklahoma City to the southern tip of Illinois. This is day 3, Friday, a risk of severe storms over parts of Oklahoma, West Texas, and southern Kansas. Day 4, Saturday, a risk of severe storms over much of Oklahoma, North Texas, up into southern Kansas. And then day 5, Sunday, a risk of severe storms shifting east over much of Arkansas and North Louisiana. But on day 6, right now, there's no severe weather outlook defined by the Storm Prediction Center, and it looks like the system will weaken to some degree once it approaches Alabama early next week. And more about that in just a moment. Here's the rain for the next 7 days. Heavier rain totals north and west of the state. For Alabama, rain amounts mostly between 1/2 and 1 inch between now and Wednesday morning of next week. So model fans, let's go. Here's the GFS. This is the 12Z run, valid tomorrow at 3. Big trough in the west, ridge in the east. And again for us, we are dry and warm, partially sunny with highs between 75 and 80. This is Friday. There might be a couple of showers near the Tennessee state line, Athens, Florence, the Shoals, but most of the state dry, partly sunny. And again, we'll be pushing 80 on Friday. Same thing Saturday, warm, dry, highs around 80. New storm system off to the west, a big snowstorm likely for Denver and parts of Colorado and Wyoming, and a chance of severe storms south and east of the surface low. This is Sunday. That dry line pushes east in advance of the low, and severe storms possible Sunday through parts of Arkansas and North Louisiana. But again, for us Sunday, the day will be dry. Highs should be well up in the 70s. Some of that rain could move in here Sunday night, and this is Monday afternoon at 3, showing evidence of a dry slot already for the northern half of the state. This is the European, pretty similar, so it could be the better chance of rain and storms initially with that first wave will be from maybe midnight Sunday night until noon Monday. And there's just not much surface-based instability with this, so again, for now, the chance of severe weather looking low, and the dynamics, the wind field should be weakening at that point. Here's Tuesday of next week, the GFS pushing the front well to the south, and if this verifies, the day would be dry. And this is Wednesday, a week from today, troughing north and west of the state, a new surface low over Missouri with another batch of rain and storms coming in here. And at the moment, the better instability values over the southern half of the state Wednesday of next week, but this is a week away, and we all know this could change. We'll go out 10 days. This is Saturday, March 20th, troughing to the north, and that looks pretty quiet. Rain for Birmingham off the European ensemble, the mean, the green line, around 2 inches between now and the 25th of March. Temperatures look pretty good. Again, look at 80 on Saturday from the national blend of models. Next week, highs dropping back in the upper 60s Thursday, Friday, Saturday, but no evidence of a late season freeze here through the 21st of March. But we caution you, we always have cold snaps here in late March and April. I would not plant anything harmed by a freeze until April 15th if you were over the northern half of Alabama. And hot off the presses, the new CPC outlook. We've been seeing this kind of evolving now. This is suggesting temperatures could be a little above average for the period March 18th through March the 24th. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this afternoon. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video here by 6 o'clock tomorrow morning. If you can, catch us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening, and God bless.
Join the American Meteorological Society by becoming a member of the band. The AMS Weather Band is a global community of weather enthusiasts dedicated to learning and sharing their love of science. Visit amsweatherband.org to learn more and join the band today.